Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, guys, I will be showing you how you can make your picture or your photos to speak. In today's video again, I will be showing you another trick, how you can make AI photos, how you can edit AI photos, how you can change your pictures to be AI, and also how you can possibly make your picture to speak, or how you can turn your pictures to videos. So guys, please, I request you that you watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding, as I will be showing you step by step and all the settings that are required to be able to make your pictures to speak, or how you can make your photos to speak. So guys, as you can see, this is the interface of this application. Here we have to click on try my photo for free. It is a free application though. It is a free application, but you can be able to use it for, you can be able to add a credit card if you want to. And then in order to use this application, you have to allow all permissions that are required to be you have to allow all permissions that are required. So guys, as you can see, this is how you can be able to use this application. This is a guidelines. With this particular application, you can be able to make your picture or your photo to speak or to sing. And also with this application, you can be able to convert your pictures to AI without any wasting of time. So let's skip this tutorial by clicking on the skip up icon, so we can go directly to the application. So guys, as you can see, here we just have to cancel, or we just have to cancel the interface of the payment, because I will be showing you freely today how you can be able to make your picture to speak and also create AI photos or pictures using this application. So guys, as you can see, this is the interface of this application. We have the payment, or we have the pro version, and we have the free version of this particular application. And guys, in order to make your picture to speak, here we have some of the interface like this one, and then this one, and then we also have like baby dance. We have this one, and also we have this one. So for the sake of this video today, I will be using one of these, and which is the first one. So I click on it. So once you click on it like this, and here we have the pictures. So you have to select one of the pictures you want to use from your gallery, and make sure you allow all the permissions that are required on your gallery. So you have to make sure that you allow all the permissions. So quickly, I will be selecting the picture I want to use today. But guys, please, before I show you further how to use this application, please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please, we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell, so that anytime we upload a video on this channel, you will be the first person to be notified. So guys, as you can see, once you select a picture, you have to click on animate. Once you select a picture, you have to click on animate, and then this is going to run for just few seconds. It's going to run for few seconds. And also in this application, you can be able to run this on your background. Here we have run in background. You can be able to run this in your background. So one of the things this application does, with this application, just like you have said earlier, you can be able to use this application to convert a picture, or to make a picture to speak, or to make a picture to sing, and also to convert the pictures to AI, which I'll be taking you step by step, and all the settings that are required to be able to do that. So guys, as you can see, it's already loading, and then we are almost done on how we can be able to make a picture to sing or to speak, depending on the kind of picture you are using. So you have to make sure that you use a clear picture. If a picture is not clear or audible, this trick will not work for you. So guys, as you can see, this is the picture we use, and guys, as you can see, this picture is already singing for us. This picture is already singing for us. So my volume is not on, so guys, as you can see, this is the typical example on how you can be able to convert your picture, or you can be able to make a picture to sing. And guys, in order to save, you can easily save it by clicking on this save icon. And also with this application, let me just click on save. Let me show you how you can be able to save this. Sometimes this may sound as a prank, or if you want to prank your friends with their pictures, you can be able to do that. So after you click on save, this is going to be saved directly to your gallery, and then you click on done. So I've clicked on done at the top of my right hand side. So guys, as you can see, so here we have to click on cancel, and then we go back. So guys, as you can see, with this particular application, again, you can be able to create AI. You can be able to create AI pictures with this particular application. So we have AI tools down below. You can be able to click on this AI tools down below. So we click on it. So guys, in this AI tools, you can be able to find we have the pro version, we have the normal version that you can be able to use. For instance, here we click on the for instance, for the sake of this video, we can be able to click on the first one. We have vampire, here. We also have zombie, and down below you can be able to find many. For instance, we have this one. Also, this one is free, so let's click on it. Once you click on it, in order to create AI photos, once you click on it, so you have click on I know. So you're gonna select a picture. So quickly I will select, for instance, I will be selecting this picture. Just for the sake of this video, you can be able to select uh your own pictures depending on the kind of picture you are selecting, and this will generate in just few seconds. This is going to generate for few seconds. And guys, please, as this generate, please, I want to request you once again, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, and maybe if you have invested in this channel and you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please, we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press on the notification bell so that anytime we upload this kind of videos on this channel, you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, as you can see, it's already loading, and it's almost done. So I'll be showing you how you can be able to create AI photos. So this is already loading. So guys, as you can see, we have created another AI photos, and then these are different types of AI photos, and then you can be able to choose many of them. And guys, don't forget, I said in order to save, you have to click on this blue icon in order to save. So you click on save. So guys, as you can see, save to album, and this is gonna be saved directly to your gallery. So guys, this is our picture that we have just converted to AI. And don't forget, in my recent video, I made a video on how you can be able to remove AI logo on any AI photos. So you can go back to that video, or I will be dropping the link of that video on the description for easy access. Now I will be showing you how you can be able to get this application. Apart from these two things I've showed you on this application, there are other things you can do on this application. So I will be showing you how you can get this application. So in order to get this application, you have to, if you are using Android, you have to go to Play Store. If you're using iPhone, you have to go to App Store. So I'm currently using Android, so you have to open the Play Store like this, and then we have to search for this name. And the name of this application I'll be showing you, I just showed you now, is this application is Dreamface. That's the name of the application. So Dreamface Photo Animator AI, this is the name of the application. And let's check some reviews on this application. It is a new application, but so far more than 4,000 people have already reviewed this application. Good reviews on this application, and more than 100,000 people have already downloaded this application. So it is a very nice application to download, and you can be able to convert your picture to speak or to sing, and also create AI photos with this application. Please, if you have any question on this application, drop a comment on the comment box. We are ever ready to reply to you. And if you have any problem, please, we request you that you just subscribe and then drop a comment on the comment box. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and then turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.